Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D Show.
Good morning, everyone. Brad Bowness here from Systems with Intelligence at IEEE. Really excited to be here today to talk to you a little bit about our substation grade touchless monitoring solutions. SWI, we've been around for about 15 years, really supporting our utility customers in helping to monitor their substation assets from a continuous thermal monitoring perspective. We've worked with numerous IOUs, munis, and co-ops across the world, looking for hotspots, looking at thermal data, looking at continuous thermal data flows to help you optimize your condition-based maintenance programs. A lot of utilities over the years have had time-based maintenance where they would do annual or semi-annual thermographic inspections. The benefit of our solution is that we're looking at these assets continuously, 24/7, 365 days a year. A lot of advancements that we've had in the thermal space have led to significant finds by our customers. They've been able to identify issues with assets under certain load conditions, under certain weather conditions, and they've been able to validate those issues with our visual system to make sure that the crew members that are going to site have the right tools and equipment to remedy the issue that's been identified. As we've evolved our company, what's been really exciting lately is that we've been pushing into more of the visual spectrum and taking advantage of our visual systems that are deployed at thousands of sites globally. When you think about visual, we look at things from a few different scenarios. The first is to be able to do remote virtual walkthroughs of the yard. So most utilities will do quarterly or semi-annual manual site inspections, looking at gauges, looking at oil levels, looking for oil spills, cracks, leaks, etc. What we're doing within our platform is we're taking advantage of that visual spectrum to be able to do that inspection from the office. So it can be done on down weather days, it can be done with crew members that can't go to site on certain days to be able to complete those critical inspection tasks. And what we're expanding that capability to with the advancements in computer vision and AI is we're starting to do automated virtual inspection. So we're able to digitize analog gauges, we're able to read oil levels through our level detection algorithms, and we're going to be pushing more and more into different use cases with our customers to advance that use of the visual inspection capabilities in our platform. So really excited about, it's not an and or, it's a plus, right? We're really saying, hey, we start with thermal, we have bread and butter in thermal, utilities are used to doing thermographic inspections, they're used to doing visual inspections. We're bringing all that capability together into one platform to help utilities push forward with their condition-based management strategies on their asset base across their territories.